Hey everybody, Jerry at Bully Park RV. I just wanted to take a moment and do a shout out to Jerry at Nashfuel.com for getting us this amazing tri-fuel kit as quickly as he did. We're about to leave for our maiden voyage and head to South Carolina for a couple of weeks. And he managed to get this thing shipped to us this morning. It came UPS. And it took me about a half hour or so to get it installed and tested. And again, Jerry, if you're watching this, thank you so very much. We're excited. We'll be able to keep our rig operational in case of bad weather and loss of power in a park somewhere. So again, just a little bit of gratitude. And folks, here's a little bit of how that went. Hey everybody, Jerry here, Bully Pack RV. As you know, we've been really working hard to try to find ways to improve how we're going to be on the road, how we're going to consume services, things like, just if we have to run the generator, how would we do that? And, well, it's been kind of stressful, so finally just went ahead and got, sorry for my hand, to attach to our Predator 3500, and I've been working on this for a couple days, but essentially converting this over to a tri-fuel so that we can actually run it off propane and off of quick connects. So this puppy can be operated from inside, or not inside, but underneath the rain shelter on a MORyde extending shelf, which I'll show you in a second. But how this all works is really rather ingenious. Instead of the on-off switch, the gas is actually your on-off switch. You set her to run. Whoop, you got to prime it. There's a priming button back here. Let some fuel get in the carb. There we go. And the real nice part of this is because we're running propane, we don't have as much of the exhaust fuel smell going on. And I did get a little Home Flex propane leak detector as well. Check all my lines, looking for any kind of nasty leaks. And this is going to actually work out really well once I get it installed on the shelf. But now we're ready to test. You can see, I follow these lines. Looking around all these seals. Stick it inside. Not building up any kind of bad gas in there. If you're wondering if it works, there you go. So, very excited about this. Because again, in like most RVs or most fifth wheels, they came pre-prepped for a generator, but we didn't buy the one that came with it. So there's a tank that goes right here, and I know it's kind of hard to see, but The generator is going to sit on that MORyde shelf next to the other couple of tanks there, and what we're going to be able to do is pull that shelf out 200%. So I'm going to be able to service the generator, change its oil. I just got to drill a hole in that bottom pan over there, and we're going to be able to lock her in for the road and not have any chance of loss of power, which is just fantastic. You know, we're going to be able to keep the dogs safe, keep the rig safe. Just very excited. It's been a lot of work, but I'll show you what it looks like when it's all put together and get all that done. But for now, it's definitely taking shape. We had a couple inches of snow hit here last night. Ironically, 3 days before we're ready to go on our trip, we get snow. It's all since melted. But Saturday we'll be backing her up onto the pad and draining the water and prepping the garage for other duties, like holding Bonnie right there. Bonnie will be going back in the garage. Everything, well, not everything, but a lot of the things you see here will be going inside of Chloe. So we're getting close, guys. Only a couple days. Talk to you soon. Bye.